Hello again, guys. This is a 3000 GT. That's 1993. The job I'm doing today is I'm going to replace the tailpipes. These are the new to me tailpipes that I got off a another GT at a junkyard. As you can see, they look pretty clean. So I doubt that these are the originals. Well, it's possible they were the originals, but the reason I'm changing mine is because they look a little bit beat up. Now there is a process of cleaning them, but since it was a lot easier for me to it's a lot easier to replace them than to clean them. Since these I didn't pay much. I think they're about like $10 for all four of them. Okay, so I'm just going to replace them, but I will not throw away these. I will keep them. Now, in addition to the tailpipes, the screws or the bolt, you be using a this one. It's a 10 millimeter. Okay, so I have a electric or battery operated device here, or ratchet, but you don't need that. You can do it by hand. Okay, and then since the bolts are a little bit rusty and old, I'll be using this silicone lubricant. Well, it just happened to be a Blaster brand, but anything you have. Okay, so is how the process will go. Each tailpipe has two bolts. See, that's the first one here, and then on the other side of it, there's another one. So it's the same for all of them. So in each side of the muffler, there are two tailpipes. Okay, this right here, and then right here, and then inside or this here, there is a little bolt, inside. That's a washer. Sorry, there's a washer inside that hold it. So we're gonna have when putting it in, I have to be a little bit more patient to get the washer in the inside that would allow this to bolt in or to tighten. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to remove the first bolt. Okay. See, it comes without the washer, so the washer is in here. And remove the second one. Okay. There we go. That's it. That's the old one. You see, I can remove it and clean it, but it's a lot faster to do this. Okay. Bolt. This one's the washer. And let me remove the second one. And voila. Okay. Now this one, I see this one doesn't. This one here, I don't see the washer, but those two have the washers, because I know this one is a replacement, I had this. I found this at a junkyard because when I bought the vehicle, one tailpipe was missing, and I found this, and it had washers. But this here, there's no washers. Okay, these are the washers that I had for this. Okay. Now putting this, you do the reverse. Okay. See, you see the difference? See the difference? It's shining. You do the reverse when putting this. Just like that. See, do the reverse. And since these didn't come with a washer, so let's see if it'll stay. Okay. And put the other one. Yeah. Okay. 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 Yeah. Very good. Very good. And the second one, and I will do the same thing on the other side. Okay. Now for this second one, I will be doing the same. So let's see if you will need the water. Okay, you line it up like this, and then let's see if I can do it without the washer. See if I can do it without the washer. See, this one won't let me do it without the washer. I guess because the holes on the mount are bigger or wider, so I have to use this washer. So to do that, I have to carefully put the washers in the inside, and then slowly put this in and just go ahead and turn it. Okay, here's a trick. My fingers, even though I'm a small guy, I have small fingers, but they're not small enough to hold this inside. Okay, so what I did on the other side, I used these pick or pliers to hold it, like to hold the washers like this in the inside. Okay. Okay, so like this. Okay, you see, use the washers like this. Did I get it? Okay. So, took me a little while, but I held the washer again with this, lining up with the hole, and then now there we go. Okay. Okay. So, see the difference? They look a lot better. All right. All right, now I'm going to do the other side, which I didn't really have to show you, but just to just for the fun of it. You can see that's good. I put that liquid. Okay. Yeah. Now it's there you go. Now it is funny though how some only one of them requires the oh, okay. The reason I had to put the washer in one of them, it's because the little thing inside that's supposed to hold the bolt uh, was not there anymore due to rust. So it's possible that I'll have to do the same here. See a lot of rust. Let me lubricate this a little bit. Okay. Okay. This is the new one. All right, so since these are pretty much the same size, and I have a cleaner bolt, these are a little bit rusty. I mean, not a little bit, very rusty, and I don't want them to damage this new one. Okay, so I'm going to use this bolt instead. Okay. Okay, the second one. Now this one here, I'm hoping that I don't have to put the washer because the inside is all destroyed. Yeah. Okay. Let's cross fingers. Yes, I have to. Yes, I have to use a washer to hold it. Now let me let me see this one here. See if this side is fine. It looks like it's okay, but I have to use a washer for this side. Or I don't have to, because one bolt should be sufficient. Let's see. Yeah, there you go. Because the other one is the inside, so it's not going anywhere. So right now it's yeah, it is good. So you see, it's not going anywhere. So see, versus these. So I can always clean these. Okay, they're fine. I can clean them, and maybe if we sell them, or not resell them, sell them if I want to, or just keep them as a part. Okay, so see, here's the four I replace, and okay, they look a lot better now. Okay, a lot better. Okay, so now this is how you replace your tailpipe from out of any vehicle, but this one, it happens to be a 3000 GT 1993. Thanks for watching, and again, please subscribe, and don't forget to activate or press on the bell for any new videos. Okay, thanks again for watching.